Yo, bud, was just petting my dog here.
Playing with your dog?
What did he say?
You said you're playing with your dog?
I was petting my dog. Yes, yes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is 9:45 a.m. on what's today? April 23rd. It's a Friday. Welcome to the weekend. Welcome to payday. Welcome to all good things happening to good people. My name is Adam Handler. I am an attorney. I am known as the case handler. I am a personal injury attorney, having practiced here in New York City for over 17 years, having been on this radio station consistently for 16 years now. And I'm here to tell you who I am, what I do, and how I do it. Of course, I am your case handler. I am the personal injury attorney here on 93.5 FM that has had the most success out of any other personal injury attorney on this station. And how I do it in an exceptionally effective way that makes you feel not only like family, but like you really are part of the process. And of course, getting you the best possible result when, God forbid, disaster strikes. I say it all the time where we do this show, Cruising with the Case Handler, and really it's just an extended interview. It should not be looked at as an advertisement because I'm not selling my services. I'm merely asking you to check me out. That's all I want you to do. Check me out. Check out the Case Handler on Instagram. Check out the Case Handler on Facebook. Check out the wonderful things I have done for thousands of people before you that never in a million years expected that they get into that accident. And they finally did, and they made the very smart decision to hiring your boy, Adam Handler, the case handler, to represent them and their family for that one and only shot squeeze. And I'm so grateful that I have this platform with you every morning. I'm so grateful I have those top of the hour spots in which I can just let people know that I'm out there for them and remind them of the wonderful things that we've done.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am David Squeezaniki. I'm the CEO of the Link Up Media Group of Companies, a bunch of companies that's been advertising on 93.5 WVIP FM. One of the things that we do at Link Up Media is forge relationships with the best entities out there to represent the Caribbean community. And ladies and gentlemen, who is the go-to personal injury attorney on this radio station, 93.5? Who is the attorney that has settled well over $130 million for Caribbean people?
135, brother.
I am sorry. I stand corrected by an attorney. $135 million for a Caribbean people. Now, over the past few years, since I've been doing radio, I have brought multiple attorneys on the station. I've paved the way for immigration. I've paved the way for mortgage. Now I've paved the way for personal injury for over 16 years, ladies and gentlemen. Guess what? And rightfully so, because that's how business is, all right? You create something, it evolves, it grows. So what it is that I've built here, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to law talk and legal talk is a man, personal injury attorney, Adam Handler. I brought him to the station and he has really succeeded in helping a lot of people. Now, what has happened? It has popped up all over the station. Everyone is doing personal injury. Everyone wants to help the people. Everyone wants to follow the pioneer on the station, Adam Handler. But can they follow Adam Handler? They can follow, but there's only one man that's leading. And I'm not taking anything away from any other attorney on the station. There are phenomenal DJs on the station, maybe even better than me. There are phenomenal attorneys on the station, not better than Adam Handler when it comes to personal injury. Now, I'm not saying that to brag. I'm not saying that to boast. And I'm not saying that you should take the word of Adam Handler, David Squeezaniki. Don't take the word of any DJ on the station. Take the word of the people who have come in the past, over the past 16 years, who got into major car accidents, major construction accidents, slip and fall, even that guy with the ambulance. I can give you stories from here into next year of people that Adam Handler has helped. Ladies and gentlemen, when you get into an accident, you need the ultimate, an exceptional attorney to represent you. And that man is Adam Handler. With that said, at 10 minutes before the top of the hour on 93.5 WVIP FM, before you probably hear another attorney jump on the top of the hour, I say to you, ladies and gentlemen, store this number. because you never, ever know if and when you're going to get hurt in an accident. But I'm quite sure a friend of yours, a foe of yours, a family member of yours will get into an accident one day. Now, do you not want to have the right number to reach out to the attorney, the man who has proven himself? Yes, you do. And that man, ladies and gentlemen, is Adam Handler. The entire Caribbean community call him the case handler. The number, ladies and gentlemen, is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. All Adam Handler does is accident cases. That's it. Yes, he's with a firm where he's the partner at the firm. Other partners in the firm do immigration. Now, why would he forge a relationship with such a firm and become a partner? Because guess what? If you're an immigrant and you're out of status in the United States and you get into an accident, you have rights, especially here in New York and New Jersey. You have rights. You have a recourse. You have a right to settlement. You have a right, of course, to lost earnings and more. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, reach out to my attorney, Adam Handler. We call him the case handler. I call him the beast. I call him the shark. I call him the hot stepper. I call him the Irie lawyer. His number, 844-774-3529. It's the white boy that I like that is doing great for our people. All right.
The Jamaican. And you know, listen, those of you listening on 93.5 FM, thank you so much. I love you. I appreciate you. But if you can safely do so now or you know, later on, you know, go one step further. Check me out again on Instagram. Check me out on Facebook, because I really think if you're able to do that, you'll be connected to my practice and you'll see firsthand for yourself what we do. Those of you watching us right now on Facebook Live, thank you so much. We love you. You are down with PPID. You're down with the case handler. And I'm ever so grateful. I'm rocking my Jamaican flag banner behind me, not to throw shade on any other wonderful islands of the Caribbean, but most of my clients over the years have been from the island of Jamaica, and I just want to reaffirm my commitment to that. What?
Them come from Yard.
Yard, yeah, Gem Rock. I got Yardis everywhere. I got Yardis working for me, man. So you know, it's really important that you guys understand, you know, my commitment to your community. And, you know who I am, because I've represented your mothers, I've represented your fathers, your sisters, your brothers, your cousins, your neighbors. I've represented your pastors. I've represented your coworkers. I, throughout these years, Squeeze, have had an absolute commitment to serving this community, to embracing the community that has certainly embraced me back. I got to tell you, sometimes I really do have, I get teary in my eyes when I have clients call me and they say, Mr. Handler, I just want to let you know how much I appreciate you. Now, these are not only clients that I'm currently working on the case for, but clients that I've settled a case for years ago. And, you know, this is a smart community, a smart listening community. They understand, you know, the business of 93.5 FM. They understand who's on when and how much so-and-so is paying to be promoted by so-and-so and what the top of the hour spots mean. They get all that. So, ladies and gentlemen, the only thing I can ask you is just think very, very carefully when you're choosing your attorney. Think very, very carefully when you have to choose the individuals that are responsible for that one and only shot and making sure that all your medical bills are paid, all your time out of work is compensated, and of course, your pain and suffering is compensated as well, because there are no redos. And yeah, I hate it when you do it. You don't let me speak from the heart. You always make me want to shout from the rooftop. Oh my God!
You're just going on, man, and thinking about other attorneys on the station like the people don't know. And as you said, they know. Let me just say one thing, Adam, before you jump back in, all right? We got 5 minutes, okay? I want to make this clear to everybody out there. And as a matter of fact, here's what I want. People, I want every one of you to call Adam Handler and make it clear to him about what I'm about to say. Adam, the people that's listening to 93.5 FM are not idiots. They are not idiots. They're not stupid. Okay, they're an extremely smart people, all right? they know and have heard you on the station, like I said, for 16 years. All right. They're not going to pick up themselves and go to someone else, okay, for help, knowing that you have been on the station, not because other people endorse them and all of that stuff. No, people are not idiots. You have proven yourself. So it's not for you or I to even worry about anyone else thinking that the people are going to be led astray. No, they know where their bread is buttered, as we say in the streets. All right. So everyone out there, you know Adam Handler from he didn't even have hair on his chin. All right.
Before I was even the case handler, I was the hardworking associate.
From when he was a stick. All right. You know Adam Handler more than likely before he had all his girls. All right. You know him that long. So everyone that's out there, do me a favor.
And when we're saying girls, we're talking about my 3 daughters.
Yeah, your 3 daughters. All right. So what I want everybody to do, just dial Adam's number now. I say, Adam, stop the worrying, man. Brethren, we have you. You're locked. All right. We know you are the personal injury man. We know you are the accident man. So everybody, if you're in your car, if you're driving, wherever you are, work, whatever, do me a favor. Just dial Adam and he's going to pick up the phone right now. And you're just going to say, Adam, come on. We know you're the man. Not because I Squeeze, not because of any other DJ. We just know you're the man. Take Squeeze outside. Take all of the DJ them outside. You prove yourself already. So everybody, do me a favor. Just dial Adam number right now, 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529, and put his mind to rest for the weekend. 844-774-3529. Say, Adam, we know, say, if we get in an accident, are you we are call? We hear you upon Irish jamming at the past. We hear you upon squeezing at the past. We hear you everywhere. We hear you upon 108 Soul. We hear you all over the place. We see you upon Facebook. We see you upon Instagram. We know you're the man. So please, me beg you now, dial Adam and tell him, say, yo, we know you're the man. Stop worrying. 844-774-3529. You're the man when we get into an accident, a slip and fall, construction accident. 844-774-3529. Why don't you tell them about the person that called you this past week with a major case, Adam? 844-774-3529. And what did they say?
We got a call this week, a call that I certainly didn't want to receive. Her husband was electrocuted on a construction site and was found dead by his coworkers. This is an individual that has a wife, obviously. This is an individual that has children. We're representing the family, making sure that, we get everything sorted out and taken care of, conducting a full investigation. But those are the types of big cases that we get. And also, the types of cases that people rely on us for. We stand by our commitment to individuals that have been the victims of negligence, and we will fight. This case is probably going to take years to resolve, but we're already conducting our investigation. We've already begun contacting the Department of Buildings and getting all the information we need to be successful for this client. If we've learned anything this week, Squeeze, it's the power of evidence, and I really want to focus more next week on that. We saw that verdict come in Minnesota. And it was largely based on the evidence, because I can guarantee you that if we didn't have those videos, I'm not so sure we would have had the same outcome, unfortunately. So evidence wins cases, ladies and gentlemen. If you're in an accident, take photographs. If you're on a construction site, take photographs. Figure it out. If you're unable to do it, have somebody else do it for you. What do you say?
Call the number.
Oh, absolutely. Listen, that's a no-brainer, because we're going to walk you through everything. Again, 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram. See for yourself the wonderful things we do for the community. Squeeze, thank you so very much for giving me this platform on Friday. I appreciate you. I won't let you down. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for everything that you provided for me and my team.
Thank you so much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, 844-774-3529. Thank you all so much for joining us right here on 93.5 WVIP. And Facebook viewers, please share what it is that's on your screen right now to as many timelines, pages, and groups that you are a part of. That man over there is the top personal injury attorney in this hemisphere. Make sure you reach out to him. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, and this has been an attorney advertisement brought to you by the law offices of PPID and the case handler. Have yourself an amazing weekend. You know what I'm talking about. Peace out.